Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to make an order by number using Excel. So, like you can see here in the lines, you can see a couple numbers. But for me, in order, for example, here I will find, for example, names and payments in my case. And let's say, for example, there is Michael, I don't know, like a real name. So there is nothing like person one, person two, person three, person five to be able to know how many persons I have in here. So basically, how I can use the order function in order to know which one is this, which one is that, which one is this. So the number of people. So what you can do is go ahead and move this by one. So let me just go do it like that, or you can just click on A and insert a new cell. So just me, let's do it really fast. Here, insert, and here we go. Now what we're gonna do is, let me just do this real quick. And here we go. Now what I'm going to do is add here a new column, which gonna be order. So let me just copy this, paste it in here, and name it order or something like that. And what I'm going to do basically is, let me just make it look good. So I will add some borders. And here I will type, for example, one. So person one, for example, here gonna be, for example, I don't know, John. Let me just make it John. Here, for example, Alex. Here, I don't know, uh, Jessica. And here, Johnson. Let me just remove this. Jonathan. And here, for example, Sarah. So, in order to know which number one of these are, like which is the order of John, Alex, Jessica, you can actually use these ones, so the lines. But for example, here John is in number two, not in number one. So this is not a really good order for us. So what we're gonna do is add an order for our own, which is here I wrote one, and here I will write two. Basically, if you kept going like that, one, two, three by your own, it will take a lot of time or forever if you have like tons of data. So select these two after you write two numbers and then drag them all the way down and voila. So yeah guys, that's how you can insert order in Microsoft Excel. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next tutorial.